Hello, my name is Ivan Dokov and I'm going to present you my advanced permission system. This is my demo page. It's just a simple page for the example. Here you see the index.php, which is actually the page you saw in the browser. I'm going to show you how to protect this page like you can do with any page you want. First, we have to include the APS class, which is located in this folder APS, and the file is aps.php. We open PHP and close it. Include aps/aps.php, and we have to initialize the class. Okay. Here we have to write unique page identifier. The identifier must be letters, numbers, underscores, no spaces. I'll call the identifier my protected page. Remember, the identifier must be unique, and with this identifier you control the current page. I'll show you how. First, we have to open the admin panel, which is /aps. Here we have a login form. With the installer, I've created admin user, which is admin. Here we see all the users. You can add as many users as you want, and add them to the groups which you create in order to control the permissions. Here in pages you have to add page identifiers in order to control the pages. We've created my protected page identifier. Just copy that and create the page. Here we have the page done. Now we'll have to create a group. Let's call the group subscribers. Okay, here is the group. When you click it, you'll see all the pages which you've created here. You have options for each group to enable or disable access to the page. By default, all pages are with disabled access. We'll just enable it and save. We have to add user just for the demo. Let's call it subscriber with password subscriber. The email is not important now. The email is just for your information. You have status. By default, all users are not active. You can have banned users and active. Any user can be admin. From this option you can make the user admin or not. By default they are not admins, of course. In groups you can add this user to any group you want. We gave permission to group subscribers with the access enabled for my protected page, and if we want user subscriber to have access to this my protected page, we have to add the user to subscribers group. We have autocomplete here and just save. Here is the user subscriber, and here you'll see all the groups where which the user belongs to. Okay, we'll just log out. Okay, we are out. This page was protected with these two lines. Before we add these two lines, we saw this content. Now when I refresh, I will be redirected to a login form where I have to write my user info. Let's just hit F5. Okay, here I am. I write subscriber, and here I am. I'm logged in and I see the protected page. If I didn't have permission to access this page, I would see error message, I'm sorry, and I'm going to show you the error. I just logged out. I first have to disable the access from subscriber. Admin, or just change the permission in this group. I'll disable the permission and log out. When I try to log in, subscriber, I'll see protected page. You don't have required permission to access this page, or a login. Okay. Admin. I'm sorry. This return URL must be disabled. Admin. I will return the permission. Enable. There are few options for this APS class. If you want the user to go to another page after he logs in, you can do it by writing second parameter. Here you can write any web page you want, and now write google.com. Okay. User has permissions. I'll just log out. Okay. When I log in, I'll go to google.com. Let's try it. Oops, wrong. Login. And where I am? In Go. Now I'm going to show you two more options from this APS class. I have created two methods to print link to the APS admin panel and login link, and I'll just show you what I mean. APS login link. Just a break line. And one more. APS link. Now when I go to, I just have to return back. I have APS login and APS admin panel. Just let me remove the custom redirect. Okay. Now if I want to relog with other user, or just I have several accounts, and my first account doesn't have permissions. You can use this link to relog in with another account, or this link to go to the admin panel and administrate users. Let's just relog in. Okay, I've relog subscriber. Here I am again with this. Now if I try to go to admin panel, nothing will happen. Why? Because now I'm logged in with subscriber user, and this user is not admin, and I don't have permission to access admin panel. In order to access admin panel, I have to log out and remove this return URL. Now I can log in right here, or I may not remove the return URL. I'll log in with admin, but I'll be redirected to the page, and now I can click admin panel and I'll be there. I think you've got the example, and if you have any questions you can ask from my CodeCanyon panel. Thank you for watching.